keep it going, do it. Let's get it on, move it. Come on, baby, do it. La da dee da da dee da. On the stereo, let the speakers blow your mind. Blow my mind, baby. Let it go, here we go. La da dee da da dee da.
Who? Oh, Minerva! Should have known you'd be here. You're always up in everybody's business. The idea of you being in charge of an infant gave me nausea, so I had to come. No worries, group outing. Lads on tour. Have you seen Hagrid yet? Do you think it's wise trusting Hagrid with something as important as this? Catty, Minerva. Even for you. All right, lads. Stork's arrived. Oh my god, Minerva, look, I'm holding a baby and I didn't drop it yet. Well done, now please put him down. Okie dokie. Oh, I didn't mean right there on the floor. What do you mean? Well, aren't you gonna knock? Knock where? On the door. Minerva, the only thing better than a surprise is a surprise baby. Trust me, the muggles are gonna love it. Just doesn't seem that safe. This is why we don't invite you to things. That kid just killed a guy. I think it can handle a doorstep. Right, job well done. Should we go for a drink? To spoons. Nando's first, then yeah.
How to make the perfect coffee. You will need coffee beans, full cream milk, white sugar, a coffee plunger, a measuring glass, a kettle, and a coffee mug. Step 1. Grind the coffee beans. Grind 1 cup of coffee beans thoroughly. Step 2. Boil the kettle. Add approximately 4 coffee cups of water to the kettle. Step 3. Add milk. Measure out 150 milliliters of full cream milk. Step 4. Add sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Step 5. Add eggs. Step 6. Mix up all the ingredients. Step 6. Mix up. Step Step 6. Mix up all the ingredients together. Mix well until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined together. Step 7. Pour into coffee plunger. Carefully scoop up the mixture and place it into your coffee plunger. Why use a plunger? A coffee plunger allows the coffee to brew without being exposed to pressure or the boiling process. This results in a smooth, crisp taste that everybody loves. Step 8. Serve and enjoy. Careful, it's hot.
Hello everybody, I have to search up the most cursed ships in the Harry Potter fandom as a dare from my cruel online friends.
Socorro, Santo Cristo! Meu pai! Aleluia! Camarada! Aleluia! Meu irmão! Santo irmão! Se
Harry Potter has come to Hogwarts. This is Crabbe, Goyle, and I'm Malfoy. Draco Malfoy. Think my name's funny, do you? No need to ask yours. Red hair and a hand-me-down robe. You must be a Weasley. You must be an arsehole. You want to go, Weasley? Huh? Psycho. Listen here, Potter. You're currently making friends with a conservation project. Ginger is a recessive gene, and they're gonna die out. Besides, with a complexion like that, he can't even go in the sun. The grounds here are pretty nice. You're gonna want to play outside. He can't do it. He'll get burns, just like I'm doing right now. Your burns are a bit tepid, actually. Lukewarm. Shut up! You're poor! Be my friend, Potter. Everyone's gonna be simping for me in the future. You're gonna want a piece of it. No. My father. Get back in line, Shirley Temple, before I drag you over there by your widow's peak. That's what I thought, Blondie. We're ready for you now. Follow me.
First job I had, Burger King. I'll come up there, man. My brother got me the job, too. He was the manager. And he got me the job. You think that would be cool, you know? Because he's my bro. But he was a He thought he was the Burger King, you know what I'm saying? He would put me on drive-thru every night. Why do people insist on yelling at the drive-thru? You know, it's modern technology. I'd be there with my little headset. Hi, welcome to Burger King. May I take your order? Sir, Whopper, no onion! Excuse me, Chewbacca? I'm bleeding from the ears here, Pacino. Let's calm down. All right, we're dealing with food, not missiles here, Governor. Now drive around! I would rather have had people yell. It was when people didn't talk loud enough. That drove me crazy. You know, 10 cars out there. I'd be like, hi, ma'am, may I take your order? Ma'am, hello, can I help you? All right, ma'am, apparently you want some pickles. Ma'am, are you trying to molest me via drive-thru? What are you saying? Hello? Chicken tenders. Sweet sauce all over my body. Okay, ma'am, drive around. Someone get some sauce now. Come on, she wants it her way.